Good evening to everybody again. This is the second video I make since yesterday, and as I promised you yesterday, I would like to give you some more explanation regarding the business and the activities in the Oslo Bors. Oslo Bors is the stock exchange market for the shares and bond NTF here in Norway. And yesterday we've been talking a little bit about the business we run in since 1 week, so we are quite new in the market, and our target is anybody, the people around the world. Can be Japanese, can be Italian, Chinese, Spanish, we don't care. What we care is about investment. So, as we say yesterday, we have an internet web page which you can see probably underneath this video, and I can just give you again verbally what's the name of the company. Name of the company is Pratellis & Co, and we are based in Norway. The web page is www.stockbrokeroslo.com, and you can visit the web page. You can also make maybe advertising on our web page about your company. And well, we are aiming to advise our customer where to invest. We don't get any responsibility because as long as you know the stock exchange market and shares is a game, so we can say maybe tomorrow some action, some share, they're gonna rise and then they fell down. So our aim is help people which they are not physically in the country to place their capital in this strong economy like Norway. Why? Why is because as long as the economy is good, and even if the Brent, the petrol is not going so well, and the people should know, well, investors should know that Norwegian countries do exportation of petrol and also gas. In this moment, well, the economy keep on growing. In fact, the Norwegian country has been founded on the fishing many years ago. So if you read about the history of the country, they were making much money for the fishing sector. But Norway doesn't have only this. It's got also tourism, it's got a lot of things. Last time I told you that we were going to talk a little bit more regarding some companies of the Norwegian stock market. So the stock market here in Norway is divided in 3 parts. We are talking about the main two, so Oslo Bors and Oslo Access. We have the main stock and the understock, we want to call like this. So the Oslo Access is the understock, so it's more for new, small, medium-sized company, and Oslo Bors OBX is the main one, where they're running the most important Norwegian company like DNB Bank, Sparebanken, Nordea, or Statoil, Yara, so much more. Today, well, I would like to talk as administrator of the company about Statoil. That's, for example, one company which has got share on the main stock exchange, so on the Oslo Bourse, which this year and also the previous year is not doing so good. It's an international company, but I can tips you that another company from Latin American company, which the name is Andes, has got a proposal to acquire the 51% of the share capital for Interoil Exploration and Production. So the issue for this company, which I've been reading a little bit more, what they would like to do. So they want to, Interoil has got a big debt to pay back, and also the structure of the company inside is a little bit old, so they need to restructure the company, pay back the debts, and keep running the business, basically. So this issue is a good news we want to see about, because Andes is another company which is quoted on the London Stock Exchange. London stock market has got also share, which good value share comparing to Interoil Exploration and Production. And this acquisition of the company by the Andes to Interoil is a good news. Now on the 20th of this of January, there will be a general meeting of shareholders. These shareholders they will give their vote, what they will think about this acquisition, if they agree, they don't agree. But I think they will agree, because the situation of the Interoil Exploration company wasn't that good till now. That's what I want to tell you. Just take a look at the value. Today in the evening, the value of the company, or each share, it was on value 0.16 corona per share. And there is a big, quite huge selling and buy of share. On 0.15 it was around 4,500,000 share of investors they want to buy, and a selling as much as big. It was around 5 million on 0.16 share. Keep or take a look at this company, because and if you are interested maybe to buy share from them, because we will never know. Maybe after the 20th of January, and maybe if the price of the oil will increase again, because some financial advisor, they said also on Bloomberg, which is another internet web page where you can take a look on our web page. We got the connection live for the economical part. Well, they talk about economy and business and money also in the live TV. Basically, this financial advisor, that they are international known people, they say that the oil price will stabilize itself. So we can expect also that as long as it was $120 per barrel, the price will rise up again. And if the price of the oil will rise up again, and the company will be restructured, I'm talking about Interoil, probably the value of each share, it might increase again. So some advisor on the platform, this electronic platform, they say that it's the best time to sell if you have share in Petrols, which is not my point of view. For me, it's better to buy now, because the value of the share is good. I mean, for the petrol, so it's underestimate for the real value of petrol for barrel. So this is my tips for today. Take a look at the company, and you need to read a little bit, quite much, about all the steps of Interoil. So if you want more, if you want us to give you more advice about this company or other company, just take a look at the web page. You got the application form, you got telephone number, you got Skype that you can use to contact us, and we will be happy to help you and make business with you, obviously. So this is everything for today. Have a great night from Norway. Here is 12:30. So I keep on going on my studies and business analysis. Have a good night.